What's up, guys? Mr. Knives and more here. And as you can see, it's SnowStorm Nemo day 1. So this is just the first day. And last time I measured it, it was 24 inches. It's a little bit above my knee. And as you can see, I made a little pathway to my house. But I've been working out here for like 20 minutes, and that's all the progress I got. And my mom said she'd give me, my sister was supposed to do it, and she said she'll give me 20 if I do it, and then my mom said she'll throw in 10 bucks. So I think 30 bucks pretty decent. Maybe I could get a knife or a couple Zippos or whatever. And yeah, so guys, this is just day 1. It's insane. And I don't think mail's coming today, so it's another day without my spider co. I'm pretty pissed. But I'll have another vlog rant about that. But, yeah, guys, so it's freaking insane. There's like 2 feet of snow on top of my mom's car. And it's up to people's windows, the snow. As you could see, it's on their deck. I could zoom in a little bit. It's up to like halfway past my mailbox. And it's literally on their deck. It's freaking insane. So yeah, guys, peace.